Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Excel. Today we will learn about how we can deal with multiple sheets. Basically about an introduction to multiple sheets, how we can start working with them. And with the tutorials further, we will bring into introduction to 3D formulas as to how we can use formulas into multiple sheets and so on. So let's get started with this today. So for example, firstly I need to create a sheet so that I can have a summary of all these. So for that I can simply create a new sheet by clicking onto this plus icon over here, and a new sheet is created. But I just realized that the sheet that I want to create is basically a copy of these sheets. So how do I create it now? So one way is I can simply right click onto this and move or copy, and then from here we can select the workbook where you need to create, but I want in the same one. So here comes where I want to move that sheet to before sheet. So I would like to move it to end, and don't forget to click onto this one, create a copy, and okay. So here the sheet is created. One more way is by simply clicking onto the sheet 1, holding the control key, and then moving it, keeping in mind this black little arrow as to where this arrow is, the sheet will be placed, as I want it at the end. So like this, the sheet and the copy is created, as we can compare it with sheet 1. So now I don't need these this so to delete it, I will simply right click onto this and then go to delete. As you can see, just like sheet 6 that was here earlier, it's not empty. So while deleting it, I will get an option over here, this pop-up box. Make sure that you are on the right sheet that you want to delete, because this is an undoable undo option. That basically means you can't undo it. So I am sure that I want to delete it. As you can see, my undo button is grayed out because I can't get my sheet back. So please be sure while deleting it. And for further, what we will do is we will rename it. So how to rename is, one way is right clicking onto it and then rename, and the other option is simply by double clicking onto it. So I would like to name it as summary, and this one is for Emily, so I will rename it as Emily, and this one is for Adam, and just like this, the last one is Carl. So yeah, it's done. So now what I want to do is I want to differentiate them with colors. So what I can do is simply right click onto this, then go to tab color. I would use this one, and then for this one we can change it to, for example, this, and for this one, for example, this, and for this one maybe this. The sheet we are using gets white with a hint of that color, as you can check over here. Now for example, I need to change the header from staff expenses to HR expenses. So if I do it individually for each sheet, it would be quite a long and a very suffocating task for me. So how can I do it at once? I just simply need to click onto the sheet, hold the shift key down, and then select this. I will simply edit it from staff expenses to HR expenses and press enter. And as now we can see, we have HR expenses over every sheet. So for example, I'm sending it to Emily, Adam or Carl. I don't want them to harm my summary sheet, or maybe for other reasons you want to hide your sheet. So how we can do that is simply right click onto this and then hide, and the sheet is hidden. But then how can I unhide it? I just simply right click onto this and then go to unhide. Here I will get the list of all the hidden sheets. As I have hidden only one, so I will click onto this and then okay. And here my sheet is back. So in the next tutorial, we will study about 3D formulas as to how we can use formulas in multiple sheets. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya, bye bye.